How to download Pandora Music app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Pandora is a subscription-based music streaming service owned by broadcasting corporation Sirius XM Holdings. With Pandora, you can enjoy your own personalized music or podcast experience from anywhere on the world's most powerful music discovery platform. If you want to get this application, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open the Play Store app on your device, or if you are using iPhone, you want to open the App Store. Pandora is available both in Play Store and App Store. Now tap on the search bar and then you want to search for Pandora. Here you should be able to find the Pandora Music app. However, if you do not find it here, it might be because this application is not available in your region. To confirm, you can head over to any web browser and then search for the Pandora app. Here, if you tap on the Google Play option, it is going to show that this item is not available in your country. In this case, you're not able to download this application. Pandora is expanding in different countries and regions, so it might be available after some time. So you want to keep on checking if it is available in your region. If it is available, you should find it in your Play Store or App Store. There you want to tap on the install button. Once you tap on the install button, this application is going to be downloaded and installed in your device. Once installed, you can simply open the app and then start to explore this application. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.